Hello and welcome to this SaturdayMP show, episode number 78, being recorded mostly live, December 17th, 2025, on a very, very wintry day. It is pretty snowy out there, pretty blizzardy out there. I think there's lots of accidents in Edmonton and around the province of Alberta, like some bad ones on the highway, so I hope everyone is safe and there wasn't any injuries or too serious of injuries or anything like that. But yeah, and also I guess happy Christmas. Winter is here. So we're gonna do some more Advent of Code today. For those who watched the last video, I got stuck on this part 2 of the day 1 problem because I just kind of flailed around and didn't really think about it too much. I probably should have stopped and thought. But it's kind of hard. I don't know. I have trouble with that even when I'm not talking. And then when I'm trying to record these videos and talk at the same time, I just lose my brain even more. And I'm recording this one pretty late in the day, almost towards dinner time. So I just had lots going on, so hopefully I don't get stuck again. Hopefully we can solve this real quick too, because I have to go eat dinner and do some other stuff. I'm really busy right now. I've got work with a client. I want to get most of it wrapped up before Christmas, so we're going to have, I guess it'll be too late anyway, but if you're in the Edmonton and surrounding area, we're doing the Advent of Code Cyber tomorrow. That's the reason I want to do this problem, so at least I can help people through the first day 1 problem if they get stuck. So we're doing this when I'm recording this tomorrow. I think I'll release this tonight or tomorrow. We'll see how fast I get. So you probably won't, if you're watching this, you won't be able to make this one, but we'll probably do some other real life events, or you can join us virtually every Tuesday at noon Mountain Time. So we'd love to have you come join us and discuss software stuff. So I guess I should say too, my name is Chris, and usually my tagline has been, the show's about shipping secure, high quality software faster, but I don't know if that's going to be my tagline anymore. Beats me. Okay. So, because we're just kind of just doing all sorts of stuff. Maybe I need to be more focused. So if you have any suggestions for me about me being more focused, you can send an email to ask@SaturdayMP.com. You can leave constructive comments down below. You can if you're watching this on YouTube, you can direct message me. I'm on lots of various social media apps like LinkedIn and stuff like that. So, but if you like what you see here, feel free to share it with your friends. This is longer videos where, like, I've recorded a whole video last time where I failed. So even if I fail this time, I'll probably still publish it because I think, again, there's enough highly edited videos where people just succeed and we never see the struggles that I think a lot of people go through. It's all hidden, so we all just think success is just this magic thing, but we never see all the hard work behind it. So hopefully this will be a little bit of kind of behind the scenes, and then it's okay to fail. Right. Okay. So I did a little bit of thinking about this before I started recording about how I want to solve this problem. So I think I was pretty close last time. You can go watch the other video to see what I had there. I have part 1 up here that I solved. It's just like a module problem. Oh, and those that don't remember, haven't watched the last video, we basically have this dial, I'd like to think of it like an old lock that goes from 0 to 99, and we have to count how many times when we rotate the dial it goes. For part 1, we had to count how many times it stopped at 0, and for part 2, we have to count how many times it goes past 0. So it either stops at 0 or goes past 0. So that's what I'm working on right now. And yeah, so you can, of course, you can check this out, adventofcode.com 2025. So you can read the whole problem there. So I was thinking about how when we spin the dial, there's kind of 3 possible results after we spin it. One is we don't cross the 0, and this is for left or right. The second option is we cross a 0 just once, and the third option is we cross the 0 multiple times. Crosses 0, and then we need to count. So I reread the problem too. If we end on a 0, we need to count it, but if we start at a 0, don't double count that. So I think I'm just gonna go through and solve each one of these. I was trying to get some like fancy math formula going. But I'm not smart. I'm not a mathematician. I'm not smart enough for that. So I'm just going to try and think of the 3 possible ways to solve this and then see. I'll probably end up with a bunch of duplicate code, and then maybe we'll refactor it into something that's not so duplicate. So let's see if I can do this real quick before I have to go eat dinner, do some other chores. So, all right. So let's do Okay, so all this stuff up here is fine because we're just reading in the line. Is it forward or backwards? And then all of this is the old stuff. So let's just kind of, I think what we'll do is we're going to, oh yeah, I'm doing this all in JavaScript, which has not helped me because I'm not very familiar with JavaScript. So let's just comment all this stuff out. We have this point to zero counter, dial position 50. Okay, so we have the how many times it points to zero. That's from the last time. I don't know if we need that. So we have the pass by zero. So, okay. So, for left and right, we could, let's break it up too. Let's just do left first. Or let's do right, which is positive amount. Okay, so if amount is greater than 0, oh yeah, I think for JavaScript they like to do that. I think I'm not quite sure what the format is. Okay, so how can we tell if it doesn't cross 0? So if it doesn't cross 0, that's pretty easy. If the amount plus the dial position is less than or equal to 99, so then we didn't cross 0. I think that's right. And then else, is it else if like this? All right, so how do we figure out amount plus dial? If we didn't cross 0, this would be cross once. Is less than or equal to. So, like, it's gonna have to be less than. Like, what's the worst case? It could be is 99 plus. So if we did plus 1, that's going to cross it once. If to cross it twice, we'd have to do plus 100. It's 100 and that. Would that cross it twice? I have to think edge cases here. Plus 1, and then if it'd be at 0. So that'd be 0, and then we'd have to do another 100 to get it back to 0 again. So, and that equals 200. So I think if it's less than 200, we only cross it once. And then else, then we've crossed it multiple times. So maybe I'll just do like, sorry if this is not the JavaScript way. Let's just cross. Like example for this would be say 99 plus 1 plus 350. That equals what, 450. Okay. So then this one would be, in this case, we'd cross it multiple times. In this case, we cross it once. Plus the extra 1, 2, 3. So this would be 4 times. If we did 450, we would have crossed it 4 times. And then if the amount is less than 0. Okay, so in this case, the dial position is going to be positive, but this amount will be negative. So if this is greater than 0, oops, then we didn't cross, I think. So now in this case, the issue would be, so if the dial was at 1, and we did -1, and the biggest one we could do is -99. So if we did -100, okay. So, oh no, sorry, that's -99. So we just crossed it once. If we're less than or equal to -99. Or I guess in this one, because it was 99. Yeah, it still have to be 1. Okay. And now, so if we were 1, and then we -1, and then we -350, it's going to be -350. We cross it 4 times, right? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, okay. Okay, so it's kind of our 3 conditions. And we could get this number by the floor and this one by this absolute value of the ceiling. So I think I was pretty close. So let's just try this real quick. So it didn't cross 0. So we actually don't have to do anything. So we could just, well, in all cases, we'll need to update the dial. Yeah, okay, let's clean this code up after. Let's just get this working. So nothing to do. So this one is pass by counter plus. Pass by counter plus equals I think it was math dot. Okay. Plus. Math dot ceiling of math dot. Oh no, wait. Can I do math dot floor? No, I need to do the ceiling of math dot abs. Amount plus dial position. Okay. Let's just try that with the test and let's see what happens. So I don't need this anymore. Oh, I do need to update the dial position every time too. So let's put that back in there too. And updating the dial position is this one here. Okay. Okay. Now, let's do the test data. Let's try. How did I run this again? This is Python part 2 dot. Oh no, this is JS. This I need to do. Oh right, I need to run this in. I set up a Docker container. Run app. Oops. Oh. Oops. Give me a second here. Let me. Oh, I just realized I had this stupid my bar at the bottom here. Oops. Okay, let me pause this video and fix that. Well, oh, I realized maybe I should make this a little bigger too, but no, it's too big. Okay, I guess I'm just gonna comment the bottom because it'll freak out with the recording if I try to move it now. So, okay, just have to black all that out. Ugh, pain in the butt. Okay, so we have Docker up and running now. Oh, I need to go to day 1, part 2. There we go. All right. Cool. So I think I just go node part 2. Does that run node? $94. That seems like way too many. The test data is just this. It's the same test data. It should be 6. Oh, because I'm not dividing. I need to divide this by 100. Okay. 100? I think it's 100 or 99. I don't know. Okay. 6. Okay. And that's what the answer should be, right? Yeah, 6. Okay. So that's good. Let's oh, I can ignore the output. Okay. Another. So, let's go back to basics. Day 1, part 2. Okay. Okay. Well, let's try it with. Like, is this just gonna work? And then maybe the rest of this video will be me cleaning up a little bit. Let's see. So, oh, let's move that over there. Let's run this again. 4,007. I don't remember if I had that before. I have to watch my own videos. Oh, 6 times. Oh no. Okay. Okay, well, let's add some more test data. Let's do a, where's my test data? Let's make a copy of this, and let's call this custom test data. Actually, I guess I should set up a test framework for each one of these, but let's set up the 3 test cases here. So another problem. If I go look here. Okay, so let's just set it up so so let's just go left where we don't cross the 0. So we start at 50. So if we go to 49, shouldn't cross the 0. Or let's just do right, 49, don't cross the 0. Right, 1, that'll cross the 0. Or put us at 0, and if we go right, 300, that should give us 1, 0, 1, 3. So 4 altogether. Okay, let's see if that, what are we calling this? Custom, test data. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then if we do left 49, left 1, and then left. Should be 1, 4. So this should be 8. Oh no, wait. Yeah, that should set us back to 350. Okay, so let's do a debug here. And then we need the previous. Let's do this. Oops. Let's do this. Plus. Okay. I guess I should move this line. Oops, a little easier to read. All right, so 50, right, 49 equals 99, so 0. 99, 1, 0, 1. 0, 350, we're at 50, okay. 50, we go left, we're at 1, 0. We go left. Oh, okay. Oh, so we got a issue with our logic here. If it's less than this has to be because we're going negative. This has to be greater. Greater than or equal to negative 99, I think. Okay. Okay, so we go 4. That's fine. That's 5. We got not a number. Oh, that's interesting. So we went 300 and so at 0. Oh, do I have a line in here? Okay. There we go. Okay. So was that my problem? I have to wait 5 minutes. Has it been 5 minutes? It's just so annoying. Okay, let's try. 7,000. I don't know. Let's and then let's do to out.txt. Okay, let's look at this. See if this looks right-ish. Okay. That's all good. Okay, so we went right 48. Yeah, it should go over. All these are less than 100, so they should, I think it's probably the ones that's more than. All right, so here we are. So we're at dial position 0. So 0, and then we go right 41, that's fine. Now we go right 304 times. So it's 3 whole rotations. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. We end up at 45, right? Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's right. Okay. Now, where's the big old left? Go to 0, and then we go left 7 times. Oh, do I have the same problem here? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, but we got 8 here. Okay, so the left is still wrong. For some reason, if I'm. Why wasn't my. Oh, is that wrong too? Oops, didn't mean to overwrite that, but. Oh, right. So that is wrong. I'm getting too many. So if I go look at my left, do I want the floor? I guess I still want the floor. Write that to the file. 5. Okay. That could be better. If I was really smart, I would allow this to be in the file part of the command line or something. Okay, now if we go look at this. Okay, so we're at 5. We go right 6 is 21. We're at 21. We go left. That's 0. So that increases us by 1. Oh no, but this is a problem. See, we're counting. Okay. Yeah, so we still have this problem with left being wrong. So we're at 0, and we go left 1. Okay, so we're at 0. We go left 1. Oh, this is at where we're starting at 0 thing again. Oh, that's so annoying. Okay. So if we start at 0, okay. So amount plus dial position would be dial position is 0 minus 1 is going to give us -1. Oh, 0 is so annoying. Okay, do we just... okay, so at amount plus dial position. Okay. Well, let's add this left 50. Takes us to 0, and then left 1. Now that's going to be incorrect because yeah, so we counted it there. We don't want to do that. I think it's the same problem I had last time too. Okay, so dial. Do I just do this? Do I add a +1? Is it equal to 0? We're at 50, nothing. We go left 1. No, because then that doesn't. Oh. Okay, so if we start at 0, don't count it. Do I just... Now, if this one starts at 0, is that fine? It looks like it. Yeah, like this one's fine. Okay, so if actually add else if like we almost need like another if in here. If right, do something. Now, could I just reuse this logic down here. So what happens if we get rid of this? No, it doesn't work. Start 50 right at 0. And that's because dial position is not greater than 0, but we're going to have the amount is negative 50. So 50, that's 0 divided by 100. Oh, 0 is so annoying. Okay, let's try one more thing. The amount plus the dial position. Oh, I guess if the amount plus the dial position equals 0. Oh, maybe we could just set that else if amount plus dial position. I think is it 3 equals in goofy JavaScript land? Right? Oh, that looks better. So 350. So we got 3, and then we went to 0, and then we went left by 1, but it went up by 1 again. Equals 0 if it's yeah, because if it's like equal to starts at 0, then it's got to be past. The dial has to go like negative 100 before it counts. If it's not, then can I just treat the dial position as a positive number? Oh, can I just do that? Dial position equals whoops. Dial position times negative. I don't think I need this anymore then. So, if the negative amount minus the negative dial position, I think I could just use all these, but negative is greater than or equal to negative 99. 3, 4, left 1. Okay, so that's wrong. Because we're going to have -1. It'd be -2. Oh, this negative is so annoying. Okay, let's just go back to where we had it, and we can figure that out later. Okay. So if the dial position, okay. 3, 9, that's 0, we went left 1. That's still wrong. So the amount is -1. The dial position. Let's fix that. The amount is 0. Or the dial position is 0, -1. Oh, I guess if the amount is 0, we should maybe just add 100 to it. If amount equals 0. $100 or 99? 100, I think. And then I shouldn't need this anymore. Oh, fix that. Okay, so right, it's 4. We go left by 1, it's 5. It's 8. 9. Okay, so the amount's going to equal 0. So the amount equals 100. So, I have that wrong. Dial position equals 0. There we go. Okay, that looks better. So 1, 2, 3, 8. Then we go left 99. Left 1. It's still 8. Okay, so that looks pretty good. And then let's go try this. 6. And then let's try this one. Okay. Okay, so we're at 0. And we went around 2 times. And we got, so 1, 2. Should have bumped up by 2, but it didn't. At 59, we go right 362, so nothing increases. At 62, we go left by 62, we're at 0. Great. Now we're at 0. We go left by 50. 247. 247. 1, 2. Now why is that? So we got so the amount is 147. If the amount plus the dial position, so negative. Maybe I just need to add 99 to it. Okay, let's try that. I think that's what I need. Oh, but I'm screwing up the. Okay. No, maybe I need to go back. Whoops, to 100. But I need to. Let temp amount equal. Or do I always just add 99? If I add 99 to it, yeah, the problem is, oh, I'm going to fail this again. Dang it. The problem is, right when I go to update my dial position, I edited the amount. I don't want to do that. I need to keep that actual amount there, but I need to. Do I just need to add? So the amount, dial position is 1, and the amount is -1. If it's at 0, do I add 99 to it, or do I add 100? I think I add 100. So at 0, add 100. Okay, so that would be so this temp amount. So that was dial position was 0 and you're at -1. Okay, if you're at 0, it's going to be 100. It's going to be way bigger than 0. Okay, so that's fine. If, let's get rid of this. If the temp amount so that'd be 100, 0 plus 100. Temp amount, yeah, plus equals 100. Okay, right, we don't care about, we got the rights, okay. Okay. So it's right at 0, great. 0, 0. 1, 2, 3, yeah, 7, so it's 7 times. Okay. Ah. What's our answer for this one? Do I try that? Yeah, okay. Let's try that. I have to go anyway if this fails, so. 10 minutes. Oh, using the full, am I using the full input data? I think I am. Holy crap. Okay, wonder where I'm screwing this up. That's fine. Yeah, that's fine. Right, we went left. So that's 7. Oh, that's a big one. So we're at 37. 8, 5, 6, 7. Oh, we only did 7 times. Oh, wait, we're at 37. 37, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, yeah, that should be 7, I think. Oh, this is really embarrassing. So if it gets to negative, okay, so if we're at 100 and the dial position is at, so if our amount's negative 99, we're at 99, dial position at 0 and we're at negative 99, it's going to be so the amount would be negative 99 plus 100, which is 1. Then the dial position is going to be greater than 0. That's fine. If it's at Hmm. Okay, let's try our custom one again. Let's see if we can get it to fail. Oh yeah, right there. It's totally failing. Okay, 3. The opposition is at 0, which it is. So then the temp amount is going to -1 plus 100 is 99. So 99 plus 0 is greater than 0. It shouldn't do anything. But it did increment it by 1. Why is that? So that's -1. -1 plus equals 100 is 99. Oh, because this is -1. Okay, so that looks better. Is that what I had before? We should probably commit this. Do this. Hopefully, and delete 0 for the left turn. All right. $6,516. I should write down what I've been entering. Okay, so we're at 43. And then we go, it's going to be over 8 times. Yeah, okay. So that's fine. So that's 8. There's another big left. Okay, so we're at 95. Okay, so we're at 0 here. 0, we're at left 5, 95. That's great. If we had left here, get 7. Is that right? So 95. Should give us 8. Right? Okay, so why is that not working? So, okay, was it at 0? No. Okay, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9, 9. Okay, so it was at 90. It's at 95. And if we go left 100, we'll pass. Every time we go left by 100, we're going to pass by 1 at least. Oh, am I way overthinking this? Should I just... Oh, I think I'm way overthinking this. It's probably a much easier way. Like if however many times we go around, like that's got to be 8, but I'm only getting 7. Okay, I really haven't done those. Okay, so let's try. So first things first, we know every time we go around. Okay. Okay. So pass by 0 counter plus equals amount. So we're going to do this math dot floor amount divided by 100. And then we just need to figure out what the frickin' remainder is. So if we're going to the right, oh, my GitHub thingy's back on. Let's turn that off here. Snooze it. So if it equals the right, and if so we need the remainder. Okay, so pass by 0 counter. Let remainder equals mod 100. Because we need, how much is left over after we turn it? So if we're going to the right, yeah, let remainder equal a remainder amount. Okay, if direction equals R, so like this, and no, I spelled that wrong. Plus dial position. Is it greater than 100? Else we're going the other way. Dial position minus remainder amount, because we want that negative is less than or equal to 0. Greater than, so if we're at the remainder amount says like we're at like 99 and the remainder amount is 1. Okay. Oh my god. Okay. Oops. Okay, let's do this. We still need to update the dial position so I can stay where it is. Let's do this. Stop log. Okay. Oh, 3 equals. Gotta kill me. Okay, so we go right. Oh, we got 10 for some reason, so that's not right. So if we divide 49, so we have 49 left over. That gives us 99. That's 0, that's fine. I'm gonna go right 1, boom. Okay, 4. 4. So we're at 99. Remainder amount's 1. Dial position, which is at 99. Minus, oh, I still have to, can I do plus for both of them? Left 1. Didn't increase it, so because we're going left. Minus the remainder amount, which is 1. You're right. Oh, this is wrong here for some reason. Oh, oh, because I need to do the negative for the amount there. Okay. Okay, let's put this down here, I guess. If fix that. Okay, there we go. 0, 1, 3. Oh, we got 11 for some reason. Left one is 5. Oh, yeah. 9, left 50, 0. Okay. Da, da, da. Oh, I got, okay. This is not right. 2. Oh, yeah, okay. So I went 0. Oh, it's still stupid 0 thing. So if I'm at 0, okay, I landed on 0, that's great. Now I'm at 0. So 0 mod 100 is, or yeah, so 5 is left over. So the direction is and we're going left, and the dial position is 0 minus the remainder amount. Ugh, stupid freaking starting at 0 thingy. So okay, 6. Is that what I need to do? Just treat that as negative. So much for me solving this quick again. Okay, let's get rid of this because I think this looks pretty correct. Okay, so 50 0 1 4 doesn't increase one. Oh, okay, but this is a problem. So if the dial position is at -1, well, it did deal with this one, didn't deal with this one though. So we're at 1. So it'd be -1 minus. Okay, that didn't work. Oops. It's gonna go away. At 50, we go left 50. So the dial position. Oh yeah. But if we're at 0 and we go left 1, that's no good. Right, that's not gonna work. If dial position equals 0. Or just temporarily bump it. So if that's 0, it has to go another full 100 things around. Oh, I think maybe I could do this. 3 things at once. And dial position not equal to 0. And this. Okay, so we 50, we went left 50. There's no remainders. Dial position is not equal to 0. I think this needs to be greater than or equal to 0. 9, 9. Okay. Sure. This still works. All right. Okay, so this is going to be 8 times 95. Yes. Okay. It's a number at the end here. Oh, it's one I haven't seen before. Okay, let's try this. So again, I need to go. I enter. Oh, it's got to be more than 10 minutes. All right, finally. Holy Moses. Okay. So advent of code is not for me. Holy wow, these things take forever. Okay, so the problem was this stupid 0 kept screwing me up. I do like this solution a lot better. I don't know why I was way overthinking it down here. But yeah, so we just, how many times we just divide by 100, that gives us how many times we pass by 0. We need what's left over to figure out if we need to add one more 0. And if we're going to the right, it's pretty easy. We just need to add, even if we're at 0, and we add, but if the dial position's at 0 and the remainder amount, it can never be more than 99. So we're never going to go around again. So this one's fine. It's the goofy, if we're going left and the dial position is, if it's at 0 already, again, if it's at 0, then I guess we could even have a thing here. If it's at 0, don't even bother with this. But that is what kept screwing us up. Wow. Okay. So it's over 20 years of software development experience. I still can't solve simple things like that. So anyway, if you have a question you want answered in a future video, give me a shout. I don't know if I'll do one stuff over Christmas. It's going to be kind of busy. Maybe I'll just see if I can pre-record some stuff. Constructive comments, feedback, leave them down below. I'd love to turn this into a Q&A show. So if you have some questions you want me to answer, preferably not about advent of code, but just about other particular things about software development, I'd love to answer those. Look at all that crap I wrote. And yeah, that's a nice short file now. Yeah, but yeah, so hopefully if you like this, share, subscribe, share all the things. If you didn't like it, I guess give me some constructive feedback. Maybe I could figure out something better for you to watch. I know this is 20 minutes of someone flailing. So yeah, if you love watching people flailing, this is the video for you. So anyway, I hope it's warmer where you are than I am right now. Or if you are in a cold place, you have a place to keep warm and stay out of the cold and the wind. It's like minus 15 or minus 20 degrees Celsius here right now with the snow, I think, has stopped, but it was pretty chilly earlier. So yeah, hopefully you're nice and warm where you are. If you're watching this right in around the holidays, happy holidays. And I will catch you next week. Take care. Bye.